Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Shopee tutorial for beginner, the best place for Shopee seller tips and tricks. In this week, I would love to focus on how to utilize Shopee marketing ads to boost your sales. If you have been following me and watched my Shopee tutorial video, I have been actively touched on free Shopee marketing tools that you can use to boost your sales. If you have not watched it, you can check it out in the comment sections below. Those are my tips that you could use if you are just started a Shopee store or you have limited budget, because all these methods are 100% free for use. Well, to bring your Shopee business to the next level, this video is what you must have. Advertising on Shopee help you to reach out to more buyers by increasing exposure for your product listing. It boosts your sales and build buyers' awareness of your shop. In today's video, you will walk away from the following three things. First, types of Shopee ads. Second, the uniqueness of each type of the Shopee ads. Third, how to maximize Shopee ads to bring your business to the next level. Hence, please watch this video till the end because I will announce 2 golden nuggets tips on how you could maximize your Shopee ads while minimize the marketing dollar. If you are first time here, hi, I'm Vernette. I'm the e-commerce coach. I help corporate female who start in 9 to 5 to start e-commerce business and coach them to become the expert in the field. Today, I divided the topic into 3 parts. First, the types of Shopee ads. There are 3 types of Shopee ads, namely keyword ads, discovery ads, and shop ads. Second, the uniqueness of each type of the Shopee ads. So first type is keyword ads. Keyword ads is known as search ads. They show your product at the prominent search positions when someone type your product's name. For example, lipsticks. All these are the search results if you type in lipstick. The second type is the discovery ads. Discovery ads showcase your product to shoppers interested in products similar or complementary to yours. It can be seen in various sections on Shopee platform, which is including in the daily discover sections, similar product sections, and you may also like sections. All these sections helps you to gain exposure to a targeted audience who is more likely to be interested in your products. The third type is shop ads. Shop ads show your shop at the top of the search result page when shoppers search for keywords that you have bid for. For example, green tea. So Shopee Supermarket and Kuro Roasted Tea are the shops who bid for green tea as a keyword here. So you are able to find the type of green tea that you are looking for is either in Shopee Supermarket or Kuro Roasted Tea. Shop ads help you to give your shop greater exposure. Shop ads are normally available for more sellers, preferred sellers, and selected sellers with good track record in sales and shop rating. Now, come to the third part of the video today. Is how to maximize Shopee ads to bring your business to the next level. Now, if you are still with me, you are going to get the golden nuggets from me. These golden nuggets allow you to maximize your Shopee ads while minimize the marketing dollar. How? First, handpick best-selling products, lower-hanging fruits product to run the Shopee ads on a long-term basis. These tricks allow you not to run the Shopee ads with all of your products. This will minimize your marketing dollar while maximize the Shopee ads. Second golden nuggets is top up your ads credit. In order for your ads to be displayed, you need to top up your ads credits. You can either do so by manually or set automatically top up of ads credit via Seller Center or Shopee ads. My suggestion is to set the top up on automatically basis because once the ads credit is finished, your product will be hiding aside and no one will discover them. So the trick is to set aside a weekly or a monthly marketing budget, for example, 300 or 1,000 to run the Shopee ads so that you know your product are showcased in front of everyone 24/7, 365 days, while the marketing dollar is between the budgets. That's the end of my sharing today. Before I go, I have leave a link for step-by-step guide on Shopee ads setting for you. Check it out at the below description. I hope today's sections help you to bring your Shopee business to the next level. If you are find it useful, please do give this video a like. Thank you.